A deep dive into one of nature's most stunning hunters. Hidden along the silent rivers perched above shimmering waters, lives a bird so vibrant, so precise, and so mysterious that many never truly understand its brilliance. This is the kingfisher, a master hunter, a living jewel of the wild, and one of the most fascinating birds ever to evolve on our planet. In today's documentary, we will explore the world of the kingfisher, its unique abilities, stunning colors, extraordinary hunting adaptations, surprising behaviors, and the secrets behind its legendary dive. So sit back, relax, and welcome to the secret world of the kingfisher. Introduction to the kingfisher. The kingfisher is a family of small to medium-sized birds known scientifically as Alcedonidae. There are more than 110 species of kingfishers worldwide. While many think they are only found near rivers, kingfishers actually occupy forests, coastal regions, mangroves, deserts, and even urban environments. Their striking blue, orange, and turquoise colors are not pigments. They are created by structural feather coloration, reflecting light in complex ways. Global distribution. Kingfishers inhabit nearly every continent except Antarctica. The most iconic species include common kingfisher, Europe and Asia, belted kingfisher, North America, laughing kookaburra, the largest kingfisher, Australia, malachite kingfisher, Africa, and collared kingfisher, Southeast Asia. Despite their wide distribution, they share fascinating similarities: bright colors, exceptional eyesight, and a powerful hunting technique. The anatomy of a perfect hunter. Kingfishers are engineered for precision hunting. Eyesight. They have binocular vision enabling depth perception. Their eyes can adjust refraction when switching from air to water view. They can see UV light, helping track fish scales reflecting sunlight. Beak. Long, sharp, aerodynamic, designed to pierce water with minimal splash. Body. Compact and muscular, capable of hovering briefly to aim a dive. Feathers. Waterproof thanks to constant grooming and oil secretion. Structural coloration produces shimmering blues, not pigment. The legendary hunting dive. The kingfisher's dive is one of nature's most advanced hunting maneuvers. Steps. The bird perches, completely still. 2. It locks onto prey using rapid, micro adjustments of the head. 3. A sudden dive, often at 40 km/h. 4. Eyes protected by a transparent nictitating membrane. 5. The beak hits the water like a spear. 6. The kingfisher emerges with prey in seconds. Some species are successful up to 70% of the time, an incredible rate for a wild predator. Diet and feeding behavior. Despite their name, kingfishers don't only eat fish. Their diet includes small fish, crustaceans, frogs, insects, lizards, snakes, small mammals. For larger species like kookaburras, they kill prey by bashing it against a branch to immobilize or break bones. Nesting and reproduction. Kingfishers do not build nests in trees. Instead, they dig tunnel nests into riverbanks, soil cliffs, or sand dunes, sometimes up to 1 meter deep. Both parents participate in digging, incubating eggs, feeding chicks. Chicks stay in the nest until their feathers fully develop, learning to dive only after several days of observation. The social life of kingfishers. Kingfishers are mostly solitary. They guard their territory aggressively, especially near hunting grounds. Their vocalizations vary. Short whistles, harsh rattling calls, loud laughter-like calls in kookaburras. Interestingly, kingfishers communicate with specific pitch variations to warn rivals or attract mates. Species spotlight, a common kingfisher, one of the smallest vibrant blueback orange belly, incredible dive accuracy, B. kookaburra, the largest kingfisher species, known for iconic laugh-like call, eats snakes, rodents, and small reptiles. T. collared kingfisher, widely found in Southeast Asia, adapts well to mangroves and coastal zones. D. sacred kingfisher, known in Polynesian cultures as a symbol of authority, migratory and versatile, Malachite kingfisher. One of Africa's most brilliant species, uses reeds and grasses as perches during hunting. Each species has unique behaviors, shaping how they survive in different ecosystems. Ecological importance and conservation. Kingfishers are indicator species. Their presence signals a healthy ecosystem with clean water and balanced prey populations. However, many species face threats. Habitat destruction, water pollution, climate change, human disturbances near nesting sites. Conservation efforts include protecting rivers and wetlands, creating artificial nesting banks, monitoring populations, reducing pesticide use. Saving kingfishers means preserving entire freshwater ecosystems. Kingfisher's role in human culture and mythology. Throughout human history, the kingfisher has captured the imagination of cultures around the world. Its vibrant colors, unmatched hunting skill, and sudden flashes of blue across rivers have inspired countless legends. In Greek mythology, the ancient Greeks believed the kingfisher was the messenger of calm seas. They called it the halcyon, a mystical bird that created peace and stillness over the ocean during nesting season, giving rise to the term halcyon days, meaning days of calm and prosperity. In Polynesian cultures, Polynesian tribes believed kingfishers had control over the seas and waves. Chiefs often wore feathers of certain species as symbols of wisdom and leadership. In indigenous Australia, the laughing kookaburra is seen as a sacred bird, a symbol of the dawn because its laughter-like call is one of the first sounds heard as the sun rises. In Asia, in many parts of Southeast Asia, the kingfisher is seen as a sign of good luck, especially when spotted near rivers during planting seasons. These cultural connections show that the kingfisher is more than a bird. It's a spiritual symbol, woven into the traditions of countless communities. The future of kingfishers. As the world changes, the future of the kingfisher hangs in delicate balance. Urban development, polluted waterways, and disappearing forests are reshaping the environments that kingfishers depend on. But there is hope. In many countries, conservationists and scientists are working tirelessly to protect their habitats. Local communities are learning the importance of clean rivers, sustainable fishing practices, and preserving natural nesting banks. Citizen scientists. Even ordinary people can help. By monitoring kingfisher sightings, reporting nesting areas, and supporting wetland restoration projects. Because when we protect the kingfisher, we protect entire ecosystems and all the life within them. Rare and extraordinary kingfisher species. While many kingfisher species are well known, some of the most extraordinary birds exist far from human eyes, hidden deep in forests, remote islands, and untouched river systems. The indigo-banded kingfisher, Philippines. A tiny jewel found only in the Philippines, electric blue bands across its chest, glowing like neon when struck by sunlight. It lives along fast-moving mountain streams where few birds dare to hunt. The paradise kingfisher, New Guinea. A breathtaking species with long ribbon-like tail streamers. This bird doesn't just hunt, it dances through the rainforest canopy, moving like a ribbon of blue and white. The shovel-billed kingfisher, New Guinea. One of the strangest of them all, with a wide shovel-shaped bill completely different from any other kingfisher. It's adapted not for diving, but for digging in soil for insects and worms. The red-backed kingfisher, Australia. A desert hunter, survives in scorching arid landscapes where water is scarce. A kingfisher that proves adaptability is one of the family's greatest strengths. These rare species remind us that the kingfisher lineage is not just beautiful, it's incredibly diverse. Every habitat shapes a different kind of perfection. Behind the science, how researchers study kingfishers. Studying kingfishers is a challenge. They move fast, dive without warning, and often nest in hidden burrows. Modern tools, used by scientists, high-speed cameras to capture dives frame by frame, thermal imaging to study energy use during hunting, lightweight GPS trackers to understand migration routes, microphones to record vocal patterns, underwater sensors to map dive trajectories. Through these technologies, scientists have discovered how kingfishers minimize splash, how they adjust their eyes underwater, and how they protect their neck when striking prey at high speeds. Each discovery reveals that the kingfisher is not just beautiful, it's a marvel of natural engineering. The kingfisher is more than just a colorful bird. It is a symbol of precision, adaptation, and the delicate balance of nature. From its perfect dive to its glowing feathers, every part of its life tells a story of evolution's brilliance. And as long as we protect our rivers, forests, and coasts, the kingfisher will continue to shine, like a living jewel of the wild. Thank you for watching The Secret World of the Kingfisher. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wildlife content. See you in the next video.